actually we can very well see from the day-to-day functioning and the quality of the functioning of the Central Information Commission and the judgment delivered by the Commission. So now at this moment, sir, we means myself and our commission, Barbaji, and the entire staff commission, members of the staff here, Goa, welcome, a very warm welcome to you, and also express our gratitude to you for coming to this one. And one more point I want to say that, sir, since the Goa is a very small state having only 2 districts, North and South Goa district, and reciprocally we also have only 2 members in the commission, just like 2 districts. So, but within that constraints, we are trying our level best to give a new face, and because now our priority is to clear the pending cases, and our target is the zero pendency at the end of 2025.
It's a proud moment for all of us in Goa State Information Commission. Although Goa is a very small state, but as always, Goa contributes a lot in terms of valid points of law, but may it be in constitutional law or may it be in terms of interpreting various provisions of the RTI Act. RTI Act, as we all know, is turning 20. It has covered a journey of 2 decades, and a lot of new thoughts, a lot of new interpretations, new way of looking at things, and ensuring transparency and accountability into the administration has been instilled by way of implementation of the RTI Act.
In last for almost 4.5 years, I have done now in the Information Commission. We feel that there are many RTI activists are there are many other fellows who are just putting the petty applications, and there are many fellows who put even 1,000 applications. In a year they put 1,000 applications. But in spite of that, I say such type of fellows are there, 20 to 30% are there who are misusing this act, or who are finding a job out of it, or they may be exploiting the officers or the system. But I can say 70 to 75% there are genuine applicants are there. And because of the genuine applicants, when they put the application, and when the applications reaches to us, at least our level, I have seen the department becomes active. They become very active, and they immediately give the information. They take out the file, so the file movement is there. Then they find out why, what was the problem with this gentleman, why the information was not given, or even his problem means he may be having his personal grievances also. So redressal of grievances is also being done by the RTI Act actually.